morning and namaste everyone. So I'm at my in-laws place in Mapsa. So today's plan is to go in the market, relax. Basically, every time I come over here for weekend or stay in my Mapsa's place, it's just for relax. For all of us, for me, Aarti, and even Papa because you're all alone. Nice time, just family time basically. For today, let us see. We might go to market right now. We're gonna buy some stuff because Shivam's best friend's sister getting married, so I'm gonna find some clothes for him and maybe cook little bit and relax, sleep, and then repeat. Why wearing Papa shoes? Go. So out in the hot sun to do shopping. Mama shopping.
But I think it will be one of the shop. So it should be
We are
good.
going out today.
Yeah, out only now.
Yes, we are out.
Parking in Mapsa or any place, anywhere, I find it a pain in the ass. I don't get proper parking. Parking is all messed up. And nobody to be blamed for this. We can't do anything. But I feel, government should have done something related to parking if they couldn't put barricades or something. Your Nani, where did carried you?
We carry on the animal.
Tell me, how was your day? What do you have for breakfast? Anda you had today? We too had masala dosa. From where you had this? Hotel? From where we had at home? Check you play. Close the door. Sure, show some moves.
I shall change one more time, okay? You shall be the machine.
टाइट असं ते
The shopping, little altering work is left for Shivam, and then we are good. Now back to home for
eat something which he doesn't want to eat something which he'll taste. Wow, very nice. I don't want to.
Yeah, same here also. I also do that, no? I'll be like, wow, it's very tasty, but you cannot eat it.
yes, Babu. What is that? Your nanny got it.
Sure?
ये दोनों हाँ भीतर थोड़ा जाकर दोनों ये
हांगा यो पट्टेल सगळे राईस सगळे.
you know Nandi
You know what she does?
wait for what is his head for?
You know what she did? Where I have to go?
See what she did na kila kariya where we have to go
When we go to the beach. Yeah.
come to enjoy a sunset, and the spot that I'm going to show you right now is the sunburn event, and check it out just before the sunburn how it looks. In less than a month, everything's going to change. Stage is going to get a lot of stages and things like that. Now our plan is that since we have come off-road little bit, there will be more little bit off-road on this side and go on the top and enjoy the sunset. I'm going to show you a nice time lapse on the sunset. A nice time at a beautiful Wagator place, enjoying the sunset. Aarti relaxing inside. So it's a nice time that we had. Since Ira is at home sleeping, enjoying the view, cup of coffee, and the cool breeze. And now we are heading back to Mapsa, right? And some food.
अरे
Hi, Babu. Hi, Mastia. Okay, how are you doing? Nice. You're nice. Mama, did you come? Mama, did. Cookie, wait. There are two more. Ah, yes. Wait, I'll do nice to you. Wait. हाँ तू क्या देख रहा है? कौन सा मूवी देख रहा है तू?
बुलेट ट्रेन
ओ बुलेट ट्रेन मूवी टाइम. You'll see most often on my vlog Samir uncle. Okay, so my in-law, second in-law, third in-law नीचे है नारायण अंकल, उधर जाना है. Slight change in plans. I saw something for Ira, so I'm going to buy it in the Max. Okay, come. I hope she likes it. Ira, like this one? This will fit you? No, even here.
Mama, come here.
Wait, take this, Ira. You like it? First come sit over here.
What number is that, Rohan?
23.
It won't fit. You have to take more than 25. Rohan, her last number was 25.
I know, ज़्यादा 25
27's I.
Mama, these are.
That won't fit you, Ira.
That will fit me.
So small.
I'm putting this. Yes.
Ira, come. Wait, one minute.
It will fit me.
दाखव Ira. कोणी गेलंय सांग म्हाका?
Hi, Mama put color.
Wait. Maman किती put केलं? Wait. Maman किती put केलंय? What is it called?
Pigeons.
Piles, huh? It is called piles.
Pigeons.
कोणाची पायल ते?
माझे.
तुझे दे
मला देत ते आता.
In wait, we are in church.
मस्ती time with dada.
Musty time with Dada. What
दुखता.
musty time with
दुखता लागू हिरो किती घातलं ते तू खातलं बाबू होय किती खातलं दिता तुकारा माशाला घेते घेते तुम्ही एवढेच पैसे बोट रे बाबू तो बोट बाबू तो Make no where it is triangle, it's a square. तुझा मामा रतन बोट करता फाटल्यांच्या बरे मजा येता आता बघ हे तुझ्या आईले बस बस स्लोली स्लोली तुझा आवडता इथं आहे हां बस सारख्या बस चॉकलेट पडतं सर राव फोटो काढ मम्मा करतो फाल्या ब्लॉग हो एकडे ओपन आहे Since it's like 11:30, we are going back home and just want to say good night and ciao.